Here we are at an elementary school doing a large venue install in a gym. We've got a double stacking projector set up here. We're using two ViewSonic laser 5500 lumen projectors. Model number is the LS800U. We are using an HDMI splitter to split the signal that's coming into the projectors so that they show the same thing. And then we did the keystone correction alignment to make sure they show the exact same picture. The reason we did this is if you combine the two projectors, you end up with a 10,000 lumen projector for nearly a third of the price of what a standalone 10,000 lumen projector would be. So right now what we're looking at is just one projector showing a picture at 5,500 lumens. And now let me turn on the second one and you'll see the color difference. It'll pop. As you see, it got a lot brighter, a lot wider. All the colors seem to make sense more now in this large setup. We're showing on a 250-inch screen, and we do still have the lights on in the gym. We ran the signal up here with a Cat 5e converter over Ethernet, where it converts the signal to HDMI from at the computer to Ethernet, then converts it back to HDMI up here at the top of the rafters. If you have any questions, hit me up and let me know what you think. Thank you.